For the assembly, you need a pre-assembled housing, the assembly tool and one foam rubber stick pad if necessary. Begin with placing the stick pad at the charging head. Remove the paper from the sticking pad. Begin at the bottom side of the charging cable. Take care that you leave 2 mm space to the charge contact. You can short the stick pad suitable if it is too long. Now you can prepare the housing. Untighten the grub screw with the assembly tool to the maximum opening. Put the charging cable from behind into the housing. Press the finger against the closed lid so that the charging contact lays directly on the lid. Now screw the grub screw tightly. Now the cable should be fixed in the system. Plug the backside from above into the system. The charging cable can be simply extended via the push button.